If you've forgotten your Bluehost password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset the password for your Bluehost account in just a few simple steps. This is the fastest way to get back into your account if you can't sign in, and it only takes a minute once you have access to your registered email. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the Bluehost login page in your browser. This is where you normally sign into your account. Once the login page loads, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. Bluehost will now ask you to verify that you're the account owner, so the next step is to enter your Bluehost User ID. Make sure you type it in correctly, then click Next to continue. After that, Bluehost will send a verification code to the email address connected to your account. Go to your inbox and check for that email. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the code, copy it or write it down carefully. Now return to the Bluehost page, enter the verification code and click Verify Code. If the code is correct, Bluehost will move you to the password reset screen. Here, you can create your new password. Make sure it's a strong password that you haven't used before and try to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Type your new password into the first field, then confirm it in the second field exactly the same way. When everything looks good, click Change Password to save the update. Bluehost will process the reset, and once it's complete, your password will be changed successfully. From there, go back to the login page and sign in using your new password to make sure everything works properly. If you can log in, that means the reset was successful and your account is ready to use again. If the email doesn't arrive, or if you run into any issues with the verification code, double check that you entered the correct user ID and that you're using the right email address linked to your Bluehost account. And that's it. You've now reset the password for your Bluehost account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.